Hiding within the large and congested city of Mandaluyong is this burger and sausage house that started to penetrate the market of burger lovers. It is just newly opened franchise burger restaurant named Joey's Burger and Sausages.
Yan, sa wakas nahanap na rin natin yung Joey Burger and Sausages. So, sa Mandaluyong lang siya. So, titignan natin at kung ano man yung special nila dito kasi nakatago siya, medyo hidden siya. So, new discovery na naman. Titikman natin mga excited ka na ba? Samahan mo ako, tara!
It is a local restaurant serving exciting and creative recipes made from fresh ingredients prepared daily. They offer lots of burgers and sausages within your budget, among others. And so today, I Love Tansyong TV Best Bite will go to Joey's Burger and Sausages Bumatay, Mandaluyong branch.
Kasama ko si Sol, hinahanap namin ngayon ng Joey Burger and nandito na tayo.
Together with my friend Sol, we will attack this resto and discover what this restaurant can offer.
Your vlogger, Joel Buda, isang rampa na pupuntahan natin. Dito ngayon sa Mandaluyong. It's located along Oni Avenue. Liliko ka lang sa Barangka Drive. Nandito tayo ngayon sa isang burger house named Joey. So, titikman natin ngayon kung gaano kasarap at kung anong special nila. Kasi napag-usapan, ni-refer lang sa akin to ng kaibigan ko na medyo may tagong burger house nga dito. So parang sarap daw. For only 35 pesos, titikman natin at naramdamin natin kung ano ba ang 135 pesos. So, likas naman natin. So, ang available nila, yan, Whataburger. It's amounting to 90 pesos. And then, there's a bacon cheese burger. It's 115. And ito yung order natin. Joey Special is 135 pesos with an add-ons amounting to 25 pesos iced tea and 165 so far for the ito daw yung top of the line burger na titikman natin. So 135.
Location-wise, this branch is really difficult to find. It would be better if you will take a tricycle from Boni Avenue going to Bumatay Street. It is situated, to be specific, in number 51C, Sergeant Bumatay Street, Barangay, Plainview, and behind Ayala Homes subdivision. The restaurant is quite small that can only cater to 10 to 15 tables. But since it is just newly established on May 12, 2016, we can notice that everything is new, from the wooden table and chairs into various paintings and artworks hanged on the wall. The food is served freshly cooked with appetizing preparation. The oozing cheese sauce is visually inviting and saying, "Come on man, eat me." And also the bread is soft and full of sesame seeds. The patty is juicy, which is one of my requirements in giving a perfect score in every reviews that I made.
Ayan, kasama ko ngayon ang ating kaibigan na talagang sa lahat ng vlog episode ko. Ayan, siya yung nag-refer sa akin na tikman kasi nga supposedly ibang burger restaurant ang pupuntahan ko ngayon. So, sabi niya, meron daw dito sa Mandaluyong na burger. So, kinaladkad nga ako. So, I have here, so, nakakatingin ka na dito? Gano'n ka katagal parating dito? At bakit ka nakaganyan? Diba? Masarap siya. Anong natikman mo dyan?
Whataburger, Joey Special. Saka yung bacon wrap,
may nacho sila dito.
2,000 years later.
Eto, na-serve na. So I have here the 135 Joey's Special. So ito te. Okay lang. Yan. So I have here the 135 pesos. So i-review natin siya. So the layering, I have here the first one. May egg siya. Spam. Then the cheese sauce. The next one is patty. Tapos may gulay. And then there is like another bread. Buns. And then konting fries. So it's worth 135 pesos. Tikman natin kung gaano kasarap. So si Sol naman, anong in-order mo, Sol?
Whataburger.
Ano yan?
90 pesos. Ang mahirap.
So anong layering niya?
Wala lang. Just simple burger.
So meron siya patty. Ilang layer yung patty niya?
1.
Yung sa akin.
Isa lang. With bacon.
Yan, so titikman natin. Gutom na gutom. The egg, next one is the spam. I don't know if this is spam. Then the cheese
Bacon.
sauce. Bacon pala. Then cheese sauce. And then the patty. And then merong gulay. And then the buns. Then konting fries. Titikman natin. So hindi muna natin siya lalagyan ng cheese kasi hindi natin maramdaman. So the way to a better or best appetite para makapasarapan ka ng isang burger is wag mo siyang hiwain. So para maramdaman mo yung yung lasa niya sa bawat layer, kakagatin mo talaga siya. Ganito. May brace ako. Hirap. Harap. Harap. Stress eating talaga siya. Maharap siya. 135 pesos, masarap siya. Tsaka juicy siya. I don't know if you are familiar with Zarks na talagang juicy siya. Talagang tumutulong talaga yung niya. Ganto din siya. The patty itself is also appetizing, medyo savory siya. Kasi siya masarap siya, promise. Ito pa.
Yes? Pwede ka serve ng books?
Sarap.
Okay na?
Dito ako kumain pag burger. Hindi ko hinihiwa.
Ginaya na nga.
25 pesos add-ons on the top of 135. Malami na rin siya. Hindi ako nagsosoft drinks talaga kasi wala ko ng soft drinks eh. Madali akong mabusog. Meron na a burger and brisket. Meron nakalagay. Pag hindi messy yung pagkain mo, hindi ka nasarapan. Di ba nakakain ka na doon? Alam mo yung caramelized na bacon. Natikman mo ba doon?
Hindi ko matanda.
Para siyang matamis na bacon. Parang niluto siya sa asukal. Tapos yun yung kalaman sa loob. Ang harap. Gutom lang talaga ako. Saan ko ba hinihiwa mo pag burger? Yung dapat kasi yung layering na masabay-sabay mo kainin para yun yung masarap. The art of eating burger, wag mo siyang hiwain. So, kung ganyan ka kapal yung layer, as much as possible, kagatin mo siya para yung layer niya matitikman mo lahat. Di ba? Tip ko yan sa inyo. Pag burger ka, kahit messy ka kumain, okay lang. All you just have to do is indulge the taste. Bottom line, you pay for that. Huwag kang pakialam sa kabilang table kung messy ka. Diba? Ang dami kong alam. Pag gutom ka, don't mind. Kahit parang nakatingin sa'yo, kumain ka. Hindi naman ito sosyalan eh. Basta mabusog ka, ganyan.
Hindi ka naman artista eh.
Correct.
Indeed, if you are in a tight budget and craving for burgers and sausages, then try Joey's Burger and Sausages restaurant. With its mouth-watering foods and refreshing drinks, it will pretty sure meet your expectation, both taste-wise and financial aspects.
Tapos na natin tikman ang Joey's Burger, ang special nila. And I have here the owner of this establishment. So, I have this Michelle and also Robbie. So, sila yung may-ari dito. And we are fortunate enough kasi na tikman natin kung ano yung... Kasi natago siya eh. Tago siya sa Mandaluyong. And we are lucky enough kasi nasukot natin at natikman natin kung anong meron sila dito. So, for you guys, sa mga subscriber ko, promote nila yung ano nila, business, burger and sausages.
Joey's Burger and Sausages, kain po kayo.
Located.
Sa may Mandaluyong, sa may Bumatay.
So how long na ba ito?
Itong May 12 lang.
Ano itong May 12 this year? Okay, so pag-venture out kayo, ito pa lang. Pangatlo.
Ito na yung pangatlo. So yung nauna
So once again, it's Joey's Burger. It's located in
Mandaluyong sa may Bumatay.
Bumatay Street. So Bumatay Street, Mandaluyong. So okay, thank you so much, ma'am. So once again, this has been your host, vlogger Joel Canurubuda. Visit my blog, it's ilovetalshow.com, and also subscribe, like, share, watch my videos sa YouTube channel sa I Love Talshow TV. Once again, bye-bye! Tingnan mo yun, oh. Aftermath. Messy. Parang hindi babae kumakain. Bakit ka nandito? Hassle. Gawin ko tong outro, tangi. Kung pa-ending na yung video. Kailangan ng mga waste video. Patapo na video pag mga katapusan na. Ang toroy. Bakit? Hindi ka naman maganda.